Welcome to Bike News, where we bring you the latest from the world of wheels, 2 or 4. Today, we are diving into the epitome of elegance and engineering, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost. This luxury sedan isn't just a car, it's an experience, combining classic craftsmanship with modern innovation. Timeless design meets modern sophistication. The 2025 Ghost continues Rolls-Royce's legacy of understated luxury. Its design reflects purity and precision, with clean lines, a minimalist aesthetic, and the signature illuminated Pantheon grille. New for 2025 are subtle refinements to the front fascia and lighting elements, giving the Ghost an even more commanding presence. The proportions remain perfect, long, low, and beautifully balanced. Interior, a sanctuary of serenity. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels like a private lounge. The finest leather, hand-polished wood veneers, and bespoke detailing are everywhere. The signature Starlight headliner now features customizable animations, while rear passengers enjoy even more legroom and upgraded massage seats. Rolls-Royce calls it the post-opulent design philosophy, luxury without excess, comfort without compromise. Whisper quiet performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Ghost is powered by a 6.75-litre twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering a silky 563 horsepower. But performance in a Rolls isn't about speed, it's about smoothness. The Ghost glides over roads thanks to the planar suspension system, which anticipates surface changes using cameras and satellite data. You won't hear the engine. You'll barely feel the road. Technology you don't notice, but always feel. Every feature in the Ghost is engineered for effortlessly. The updated infotainment system is faster and more intuitive, while the Spirit of Ecstasy controller gives tactile feedback. Rear passengers enjoy twin screens with seamless connectivity. Safety systems are fully updated for 2025, including next-gen adaptive cruise control, night vision, and a fully automated parking suite. Final thoughts: a masterpiece in motion. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost doesn't try to impress with noise or flair. Instead, it captivates with silence, smoothness, and supreme comfort. For those who seek a true luxury experience without shouting for attention, the Ghost remains unmatched. Thanks for watching Bike News. For more updates on luxury and performance vehicles, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned.